Jinan Quick Fulltech CNC Machinery Company Limited, located in Jinan, Shandong Province, China. Our company was established in the year of 2012. We specialize in CNC router, CNC machining center, woodworking CNC machine, and other CNC technology products. Cooperated with Shandong Provincial CNC Research Institute. Our company is devoted to the advanced and high-end mechanical automation development. We know that the mechanical automation will be the trend of the world, to help human liberated from the boldness repeatable work with huge burden. More and more dangerous jobs with injured risks will be replaced by mechanical automation and industry robots. So to operate with us, now you will grasp the future opportunities. Quick Fulltech CNC products have been sold to more than 80 countries. We have distributors in all the main economy entity, spreads from the Eastern Hemisphere to the West, North to the South. After a decade of rapid development, our routers have already covered advertisement decoration, label industry, woodworking and furniture industry, mold manufacturing, crafts and most of the related industries. We are still trying our best to produce innovative products to help customers lower their costs and increase their returns. The future science and technology now is in front of you. Decrease the cost, accelerate efficiency, liberate your hands, survived from today's rat race. All start from cooperated with us. Quick Fulltech CNC.